Yeah, today we are going to dissect the mouth parts of cockroach. Okay, so if you see this cockroach, which is the scientific name is Periplaneta americana. This Periplaneta americana usually is somewhat big compared to the other cockroaches, and this is the dorsal surface of the cockroach, and this is the ventral side. Can you see here?
Yes.
Okay, you can see it belongs to Arthropoda, where it has jointed appendages. Okay, 3 pairs of jointed appendages can be seen, and a whip like 2 big antenna, a pair of antenna can be seen here. Okay, and this is the cephalic part where the head region. So mouth parts, when we will dissect, it is not so difficult task. We have to grip over the animal that is there, and we have to keep the things like this, then it is easy for us to dissect. Okay, so first and foremost, take one scissor, cut the 2 antenna. Okay, use needle to first and foremost, you can able to see here the upper part, which is nothing but the labium. Use a sharp ended forceps slowly you can do it. Without proper resection instruments, you are not able to do this. Try to pull it slowly. No talking, girls. So the upper part is nothing but the labium.
Still I'm not getting it.
Don't try to detach the head, girls. First of all, you will not at all get the grip. Okay. So this is the, what it is? Labium. So next is mandibles, we said, right?
Yes.
A small tusk type of mandibles can be seen here on the either sides. If you feel like difficult, you can even cut these appendages. See here, no chopping please. See here, anybody can put light on it otherwise. Somewhat hard mandibles you can able to see here. See, this is the mandible part. Can you able to see, everyone? Anybody?
No, ma'am.
Please come this side and see. See, this is the mandible. This is the mandible. Still the insect is alive. You know that? See, this is the mandible. Slowly, only take that part, pull it slowly and keep. Use anybody can use needle. On the other side, this is the first mandible, and the other side even the same way you will have the other mandible, the cockroach. Same thing, pull it up. And okay. Fan off. Please off the fan, turn off the fan. Next is maxilla. Next is maxilla. This is the first maxilla, where a small chela is there, see.
Yes. It's got broken, but still.
On the other side, at least you try to pull it off the complete one. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
First maxilla and second maxilla. And another one, what it is? Labium. Labium is such a big one. You can able to see here. This is nothing but the labium. When you have drawn the diagram, you can able to see this the big one, right? So last you try to pull it off. This is nothing but the labium. One can use the needle. No? Another last one which is remained is nothing but hypopharynx rod. After removing that, easily you can able to see this rod. It is attached to the intestine. You know that it is a digestive organ, okay, which is present in the mouth region. So it is little bit difficult to pull it. So you have to either cut or simply you pull it slowly. This rod have the connection with the, see, such a big rod it is, but you can able to do this, and this is nothing but the hypopharynx rod. Keep it properly. Give. So, girls, have you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
It is not much difficult. Okay? Understood, girls? Okay. So you are supposed to keep all these things on your slide and put a drop of glycerin.
Ma'am, all of this or